Alright, what is going on, guys? Today I have a new video for you, and I'm using a whole new setup, like as of right now. New camera, new microphone. I mean, it's not new, but I haven't used it before, so for the ones who usually watch my video, let me know down below how everything sounds and looks. So I wanted to redo my demon eye video I did on my last one. It wasn't explained as well and described. I'm going to do a more in-depth video because I've been getting a lot of questions about it, how it was done and everything. So it is pretty dirty under here. I mean, it shouldn't not be, but I should be or something. I don't know. So the only thing is I don't have tools in this video because I'm well, I just don't have tools and I'm not at the shop that I go to, so I'm just going to show you my best everything and explain everything best I can. So to start off, I guess to start off we can start inside the car. So right here, that little thing, all right? Now it's on, now it's off. So that switch, everything is hooked up to my AC port, or not AC, the plug-in right here. So the reason why my wire up to this one is because this AC port already has, not a port, AC, yeah, AC, whatever, this electrical hole has a fuse in it, or a fuse in the wire of it. It has a fuse in it, so if it blows out, whatever's plugged in doesn't get ruined. So that's the reason why we hooked up my lights to that, because let's say you don't have a fuse, it could catch on fire if like it's shortages or something like that. So that is the reason we hooked it up. Now you don't have to hook it up to this AC port. You could hook it up to your battery, but then you just have to have a fuse. Always make sure you have a fuse. And now this particular switch I have here is a 3-prong, meaning it has 3 prongs on. I'll pull up a picture so you guys can see all of it, because you need the power, the negative, and then the power for the blue for the light to turn on. So it doesn't matter if you get a 2-prong or a 3. So now that that's hooked up into my car, it's going through the firewall here. As you can see, this red wire is coming through my firewall, and then these pieces, we took them all up and we just put it under this part right here. So then you can tell it comes out here a little. Doesn't matter, you can just push it back in. But yeah, we just ran it all the way through here, and then it still comes through. Then we put it under this part here. We took this whole thing up and we ran it to the other side, right to here, and came out right here. And now this is the ground wire. This is just attached to the frame. It doesn't matter what part you attach it to. So now over here is where you slide. I'm not sure if I'm able to show you the light, but these are the black wires. Right here, this is the black wire for the, wow, this is great autofocusing. Okay, this black wire is the light, which is then into there. You can almost see the red strip because of this. That red strip is actually the plastic part on the back of a 3M like side before you peel it off. I kept mine on there because I didn't want it to stick to the headlight or the projector bulb or anything. So that's why I kept it. I also had some comments saying that people could not fit their LED into the headlight, and or they didn't have room. And the only way you would be able to do that is actually taking your headlight off, which would probably not be the cheapest way to do this. Other than that, buying all the wires, go on eBay, Amazon, all. So hopefully I cleared most of that up. You don't need, so you just need a red wire, black wire, 2 LED strips, and a fuse and a switch, and that's pretty much it. Everything will be linked down below. Of course, every LED has power and then ground, so we put each wire to anything that is a frame or that's grounded. You can attach the wires to, so it doesn't really matter.
Let's see if I can fix that.
But yeah, I just made a little hole right here with a screwdriver and hammer. You could check out the last video on it. I do need to seal that up, probably be the best idea, so I don't get like condensation pretty much, I'd say, in there. This thing's always impulsible. Put back on. Oh, I did it second try. So that's about it. Making a hole in the firewall, it was already there because my JB4 had to be drilled in for the OBD port, so that's why I already had a hole there. We just ran through the same thing. I'm sure you can find a way to do that. I will show you guys the result on how it looks at night. All right guys, so right now it is nighttime. Just wanted to show you what it looks like, of course, because that's kind of the point of the video. So switching it on here, let me see, it's right, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this. So now you know it's on at night. Let me just shut all my lights off. All right, cool. So that's what it looks like. I mean, there's a lot of light in here right now because in the garage, but let's go to the top really fast so you guys can see what it looks like. All right guys, if you like that BMW sign, go check out my I made a video on it. But anyway, this is what they look like when they are completely dark, or when it's dark out. Can make it, let me see. Just give you a different idea on light settings and on my camera so you can get the full aspect of it. But that's how it is. I'll give you some pop-pops on the way down. Oh, shut up. Stick it up. Hope you guys enjoyed those little pop-pops. Now let's get back to where we were. So that's about it for these demon eyes. If you want to do light color changing lights, I believe you can. You just have to mount the box, because there's a box that is connected to the cords. Probably just mount that 3 MIPS somewhere. Make sure it's away from heat, I'd say, because that box is the one that is like the brain. It controls all the colors and everything. It's fairly simple when you're doing it. It honestly doesn't take that long, and even if you want, you can set everything up. If you're not good with electrical, set everything up when like all the wires, and then when it's done, when all the wires are done and you just need to hook up the wire to the fuse or to the electrical port here, take it to Midas or some mechanical shop. They can do it in a second. It'll probably be like not even, I am very busy during the summer, which is the reason I've not been posting a lot of videos, but I'm trying to get a few knocked out this week just to have some to post. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and then I have a few things to come that are happening on my car, so I'll make sure to record that, and that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Prius is so quiet. Oh, that's because he shut it off. Oh no, it's moving, never mind. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like down below if you would like to see any suggested videos. I really haven't done that yet with you guys. No one has actually suggested a video I won't lie, other than they want to see me, totally forgot what I was just about to say. Well, there's one thing someone asked me to do. I think it was like to race or something. I don't know. After Friday, getting stuff done Friday, I do want to take it to PBIR and run this track, because I have not done that yet at all. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys want to follow my Instagram at Car Geeks Media, definitely do so. Hopefully we'll be making a website soon for you guys can see everything. And that's it. Thanks for watching.